لنا وارحمنا واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر غاسق إذا وقب ومن شر النفاثات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. أصبحنا وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا شريك له لا إله إلا هو وإليه النشور. أصبحنا وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا شريك له لا إله إلا هو وإليه النشور. النشور أصبحنا وأصبح الملك لله والحمد لله لا شريك له لا إله إلا هو وإليه النشور أصبحنا على فطرة الإسلام وكلمة الإخلاص وعلى دين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى ملة أبينا إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين أصبحنا على فطرة الإسلام وكلمة الإخلاص وعلى دين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى ملة أبينا إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين أصبحنا على فطرة الإسلام وكلمة الإخلاص وعلى دين نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى ملة أبينا إبراهيم حنيفا وما كان من المشركين اللهم إني أصبحت منك في نعمة وعافية وستر فأتم علي نعمتك وعافيتك وسترك في الدنيا والآخرة اللهم إني أصبحت منك في نعمة وعافية وستر فأتم علي نعمتك وعافيتك وسترك في الدنيا والآخرة اللهم إني أصبحت منك في نعمة وعافية وستر فأتم علي نعمتك وعافيتك وسترك في الدنيا والآخرة اللهم ما أصبح بي من نعمة أو بأحد من خلقك فمنك وحدك لا شريك لك فلك الحمد ولك الشكر اللهم ما أصبح بي من نعمة أو بأحد من خلقك فمنك وحدك لا شريك لك فلك الحمد ولك الشكر اللهم ما أصبح بي من نعمة أو بأحد من خلقك فمنك وحدك لا شريك لك فلك الحمد ولك الشكر يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك الكريم وعظيم سلطانك يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك الكريم وعظيم سلطانك يا ربي لك الحمد كما ينبغي لجلال وجهك الكريم وعظيم سلطانك رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد نبيا ورسولا رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد نبيا ورسولا رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد نبيا ورسولا سبحان الله وبحمده عدد خلقه ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلماته سبحان الله وبحمده عدد خلقه ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلماته سبحان الله وبحمده عدد خلقه ورضا نفسه وزنة عرشه ومداد كلماته بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم اللهم إنا نعوذ بك من أن نشرك بك شيئا نعلمه ونستغفرك لما لا نعلمه اللهم إنا نعوذ بك من أن نشرك بك شيئا نعلمه ونستغفرك لما لا نعلمه اللهم إنا نعوذ بك من أن نشرك بك شيئا نعلمه ونستغفرك لما لا نعلمه أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الهم والحزن وأعوذ بك من العجز والكسل وأعوذ بك من الجبن والبخل وأعوذ بك من غلبة الدين وقهر الرجال اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الهم والحزن وأعوذ بك من العجز والكسل وأعوذ بك من الجبن والبخل وأعوذ بك من غلبة الدين وقهر الرجال اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الهم والحزن وأعوذ بك من العجز والكسل وأعوذ بك من الجبن والبخل وأعوذ بك من غلبة الدين وقهر الرجال اللهم عافني في بدني اللهم عافني في سمعي اللهم عافني في بصري اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الكفر والفقر اللهم إني أعوذ بك من عذاب القبر لا إله إلا أنت اللهم عافني في بدني اللهم
Okey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, madam.
Okay, let's start with Al-Fatihah. Okay, sorry lambat sikit. Okay, as for today, as promised, okay, I'm going to brief you on your group assignment, okay, which is your only group assignment for this semester. Okay, I'm not sure dekat Oles ada ke tak tapi tak apa, I'll share it here. Okay, sorry. Assalamualaikum again.
Waalaikumsalam, Madam.
Salam, Madam.
Okay, sorry. Hand pula laptop I. Okay, so I akan share. I nak brief tentang your group assignment. Okay, sekejap ya.
Ada nak masuk tak boleh. Tak dapat lagi.
Tak ada pun? Tak ada yang masuk pun?
Tiga orang ada dia cakap request tak dapat lagi.
I tak ada terima request apa-apa. Okay, alright. Tak ada request apa-apa pun, tak ada yang masuk apa ni?
Sekejap saya beritahu dia orang ni.
Okay, let's look at your assignment. Can you guys see this?
Yes, Madam.
Can you guys see this?
Okay, baru
So
nampak.
look at this group assignment. Okay, this group assignment. Okay, let's look at the instruction to candidates. Okay. So instruction to candidates. Nur Syamimi ada? Nur Syamimi?
Ada,
Syamimi? Okay, Syamimi read for us. 1 until 4. Instruction 1 until instruction 4.
Instruction to candidates. Once this assignment is covered, topic leadership which allocate 20% of carry mark. This assignment consists of 4 questions. Answer all questions. Please type your assignment using the following format. 3.1 Arial 11 1.5 spacing 3.3 justify. 4. Please make sure your complete assignment must send direct to your lecturer in PDF format through Google Classroom.
Okay, thank you. Syamimi. Okay, Faris Syukri ada? Faris?
Ya, Madam.
Okay, Faris, sambung Faris, number 4 until 8.
Okay. Please make sure your complete assignment must send direct to your lecturer in PDF format through Google Classroom. Plagiarism, copying, and cheating will not be tolerated, where no marks will be awarded and disciplinary action can be taken. Please attach together with the assignment well, complete with cover from page. Please use the assignment cover as attached. The last day of submission is on that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so kita tengok dulu instruction one by one. Okay, as what your friends have read just now. Okay, so your assignment will be 20% of your carry marks. So it will cover topics of leadership. Okay, sekarang kita kita dekat topics number 4, which is organizing. So in our next class, we are going to to get into the next chapter, which is leadership. Okay, so kita brief dulu, and next week bila I dah start dengan leadership, okay, you guys can start with your assignment, insyaAllah. Okay. Alright. So answer all. Ada 4 questions altogether kat sini. Ada 4 questions. So answer all question. Okay. Alright. Okay. Your assignment. Tengok ni. Kena Arial 11. Jangan nak Microsoft jangan nak Times New Roman ke apa, Century ke apa benda ke. No. It's Arial. Size dia 11. Please check before you submit to the lecturer. Please check about this format. Kadang-kadang format macam tak betul macam ni pun I nak tolak markah jugalah. Okay, make sure. And spacing is 1.5 and please justify. Apa maksud justify? Justify ialah yang line sama panjang tu kalau you bagi justify dekat words kan. Bukan yang ke tepi panjang pendek ataupun dari sini panjang pendek. No. Okay, it must be justify. Okay, please make sure your complete assignment. Okay, direct. Biasanya I minta you hantar dekat Google Classroom macam biasalah. We will create folder for your group assignment. Okay, so ini you faham, plagiarism, copying, cheating, ini semua will not be tolerated. Kita akan deduct marks. Kalau I tengok jawab ayat ni bombastiknya kan, ayat ni dari mana ni, macam dari website ke apa benda. Okay, from there pun kita boleh detect lah. Okay, so please do it yourself. Kan nak cari info from internet boleh, no problem, but please rephrase. Tukar balik dalam ayat you sendiri. Okay, so please do cover and front page. Kita dah bagi you format front page, so please follow exactly like what we have provided. Okay, so ni cover kita dah attach Okay, submission ni I am not decided on the date yet, but it must be before your presentation because you need to present your case study. Okay, the findings of your case study. Okay. Alright. So nanti I akan inform balik the last day of submission. Okay. So this is your leadership case study. Okay. Leadership case study. Dekat sini kita ada question for you. Okay, this is all about leadership. Okay, the case study is about leadership. Alright. Can we have siapa pula nak tolong baca We go paragraph by paragraph. Can we have Nur Balkis? Nur Balkis ada? Nur Balkis.
Ni saya.
Okay, Balkis, read for us the first paragraph.
MTCR is a leading company in the development and manufacturing of a broad range of custom hardware solutions. The company prides itself and is well known for being refreshingly honest and straightforward in its dealings with customers and employees, and in its ability to deliver difficult projects on time. Sally has been a senior manager at MTCR for 4 years and leads a team in the custom service area of the company. In a recent 360-degree survey, Sally scored above average at the 70% in the competency. Inspires and motivates others to high performance. Her report also indicates that her manager, peers, and direct reports saw this competency as a critical one for someone in her position. Some of the written comments in her survey indicates that if she demonstrated and applied this competency more often, it would have significant positive impact on her success on the job. For this reason, she focusing her personal leadership development over the next year on this competency.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so this is about Sally in the first paragraph. Okay, Sally is actually a Kalau tengok kat sini, she is a senior manager at MTCR. MTCR ni the name of her company. Yeah. Okay. So if you can see here, they have appraisal for her. Okay, and she actually scored above average, which is dia dapat 70th percentile atau percentage. Okay, so
Madam,
it's,
madam.
yes.
Nabil ni tadi tak dapat masuk lagi.
Tak ada pun. Ni baru nak masuk ke apa? Dah 8.30 dah.
dia
Tak, dia
kan
orang dah request daripada pukul 8.
Oh, lepas tu apa yang jadi?
Memang tak dapat masuk lagi.
Tak ada pun nama dia orang muncul ni. Tak ada nama apa-apa appear pun.
Takut salah link kot.
Okay. Alright. So kita sambung Okay, so look at this, the first paragraph. Okay. So the reports, dia kata kat sini reports, her manager, peers and direct report saw. Dia kata this is as a critical one for someone in her position. Okay, tak apa. Nanti you all tengok lagi Okay, tengok the second paragraph. Suliza, can you read for us? Suliza ada tak? Suliza ada? Tak ada You all duk message kok I tak nampak. I sekarang tengah ni kan. I tengah present ni. Jadi I tak boleh nampak apa you all cakap dekat tu. Kalau you nak cakap just turn on your mic. Okay, and ask me question ke apa Okay. Suliza tak ada. Ain Najihah ada? Ain Najihah?
Dia ada tapi dia kita tandas dia. Tadi dia cakap ada sikit pun.
Madam, saya baca. Saya.
Saya tu siapa? Okay, Putri. Sama Putri. Second paragraph David tu.
David is one of Sally's direct reports who has worked at MTCR for more than 9 years and whose historical performance has been excellent. It's generally known among the team that David doesn't have as strong as technical background as most of his colleagues. At the same time, it's also well known that he has a very efficient work style and puts in any extra hours needed to meet personal and team goals. He transferred from a different group and joined Sally's team almost 2 years ago.
Okay, thank you Putri. Okay, so look at the second paragraph. Okay, they are telling us about who is David. Okay, so I am not going to explain it all today. Kita nak baca dulu and then nanti lepas tu you all baca dulu sendiri pula. Okay, and insyaAllah in our next tutorial nanti kita akan discuss further. Okay, I nak tengok apa yang you faham lah. Alright, so David ni ialah Sally's colleague lah. Dia punya office mates dia punya colleagues. So nampak kat sini dia punya colleagues. So dia kata dia transferred daripada different group and then dia join Sally's team in 2 years ago. Okay, so kita tengok what happened to David in the next paragraph. Akmal Aiman ada? Akmal?
Ya, madam, ada.
Okay, Akmal sambung. Next paragraph.
Yang unfortunately tu kan? Unfortunately, David has had several performance setbacks on the job over the last 3 months. One of them revolved around some critical miss assignment and late deliveries. Alhamdulillah. Sally had assigned him to project with some stretch goals that were not easy for David to hit, but had made those assignments specifically to give him development opportunities he had requested. This approach was typical for her, as she generally has a positive approach and displays confidence in her team members. She had worked together with him. She had worked together with him on his plan and had checked in regularly with him during the weeks leading up to the delivery date. Each time she was assured by him that everything was on track. These were very visible failures that end up impacting the performance of Sally's entire team. The other setbacks were related to workplace confrontation he had at different times with several of his teammates following the missed assignment.
Okay, thank you Akmal. Alright, so nampak ni perkataan unfortunately. So it's something bad about David. Okay, something bad about David. So kalau kita tengok kat sini dia ada several performance setbacks. Okay, maksudnya kat sini ada sedikit weaknesses that happen to David ataupun weaknesses that comes from himself. Okay, so nanti ni pun sama. I nak you baca balik selepas ni what happened with David in this paragraph. Okay, next one. Nur Syafiqah ada? Nur Syafiqah Safwan. Ada tak? Okay, Syafiqah sambung. Okay, sambung.
Sally has met often with David during these last few months. She moved quickly to call out his missed responsibilities and improper behavior, wanting to be clear to him that the team that she was holding him accountable for his action. She interviewed David's teammates to get their understanding of what happened and the impact this situation were having on them and the team. She's also spent a good deal of time with David to get his perspective, trying to understand what's been behind David's unusual behavior and to help him get back on track. During her meeting with him, she sometimes downplayed the seriousness of the situation to make him feel better about himself. Thank you, madam.
Okay, thank you. Syafiqah. Okay, kalau dalam this paragraph pula, okay, Sally has met often with David. Okay, she wants to know what is really happened to David. Okay, so dia nak tengok what are the missed assignments, what are the improper behavior of her colleague. Okay, alright. Okay, next. Amma Fakri. Amma Fakri ada?
Ada, Miss.
Okay, sambung Amma.
Okay. During Sally coaching meeting with David over the last 2 weeks, she learned that several things are likely contributing to David's recent performance issue. He shares some personal, financial, and family issues that have him worried. He also concerned about some process and role change on the team that Sally instituted a few months ago that have caused change in his day-to-day work responsibility.
Okay, so look at this paragraph. Okay, so from this paragraph we understand that Sally buat meeting lah, coaching meeting. So dia nak tengok what are the things, okay, what are the things that contribute to David recent performance issues. What makes David punya performance going bad Okay, next paragraph. N and Elisa.
Ni saya.
Okay. Bacakan paragraph.
David has accepted Sally's feedback and recognized and taken responsibility for his actions. Although his issues are improving, they are still an obvious worry to him. He's also clearly stuck on how to handle the changes in his job. One of Sally's greatest concern is how to get this formerly excellent performer back on track and contributing more. Despite David's obvious discouragement and lack of confidence.
Okay, thank you. So, dalam this paragraph, we can see that David has accepted Sally's feedback. Nampak tu from here, from the coaching, okay, he can see what Sally, what Sally want him to improve. Okay, so daripada sini dia nampak lah, dia kata dia accepted. Okay, I tak nak cerita banyak nanti you tengok balik, nanti kita bincang lagi. Okay, alright, itu adalah case study of your assignment. So you kena baca from time to time, baca lagi sampai you betul-betul faham. Okay. Right. Okay, these are all the questions. We have 4 questions for you to answer. Okay, so look at the first question. With your opinion, nampak ni, your opinion, bukannya opinion buku, bukannya opinion daripada internet. Okay, with your opinion, you punya your own opinion. With your opinion, discuss Sally's leadership style. Nampak ni. Okay, apa dia minta kat sini? Leadership style. Okay, and provide any related situation in the case study to support your opinion. So cari apa related situation that focus on this leadership style. So it will give you 20 marks. Okay, according to your answer for question 1A, explain how Sally's leadership style, nampak ni? Okay, lagi sekali, leadership style yang you dah mention dalam the 1A will influence her subordinate behavior. So subordinate ni is dia punya employees. Okay. Right, dia punya employees ataupun dia punya colleagues lah. Okay. Alright. Then question number 2. David used to be an excellent worker. Used to be, maksudnya dia pernah jadi. Used to be an excellent worker. What happened to David that resulted in his bad performance? So what happened? Apa yang jadi dekat David? Okay. Right. You need to search in the paragraph and you need to explain further. So 20 marks. What are Sally's responsibilities as a leader? Okay. Apa nak kata? Responsibilities lah as a leader. What are her responsibilities? Okay, how does Sally play her role? Okay, macam mana Sally help David to improve his performance? Okay, so kita nak tengok apa responsibilities dan juga how does Sally play her role to improve David's performance? Macam mana Sally tolong David untuk improve his performance? Okay, so that's all for question for your group assignment. So this case study, okay, you need to submit your assignment, and after that you need to do a presentation on this case study. Okay, later. So I akan discuss semula. I akan inform you back bila the last day of your submission. Okay, so this one pun nanti I send dalam you punya ni lah. I send dalam, kita share dalam WhatsApp group pun boleh ni. Okay, nanti I share semua. I save yang apa yang I dah contoh-contoh ni. Okay. So balik ni, I want everybody to read again and again the paragraph. Okay, and then I nak you later on, I pun akan post dalam WhatsApp group. Okay, I nak you all pilih group members. Okay, kita ada around 14 in the class. 14, section 33 ada berapa? Sekejap. Section 33, ikut section tak mau campur section, ikut section. Oh, semua ada 14. Okay, ikut section. Jadi sekejap I fikir. Okay, so satu group, satu group I nak minta maximum of 5. Okay, maximum of 5, maksudnya 5 orang satu group. Okay, 5 students in a group. There will be apa ni, 2 groups. Okay, 2 groups with 5 2 groups with 5 students. Okay, one group, ini terpaksa lah sebab you ada 14. One group with 4 students. Okay, so nanti you choose tak apa, nanti I post dekat WhatsApp, nanti you all decide. Okay, boleh? Can you understand this? Bila dah ada group, then choose a leader, okay, to lead your group. Okay, and in our next tutorial, insyaAllah, we will discuss further about this case study where I want you to explain whatever that you understand from the case study, paragraph by paragraph. Okay, can you do that? Can you do that? Boleh?
Boleh, Madam.
Yes,
Okay,
madam.
tak apa. Pasal
Boleh,
group tu
madam.
nanti I send dekat WhatsApp, nanti you all choose siapa group members. Okay. Kita ada sikit lagi nak buat. Okay. Kita nak play, okay, habis pasal case study, tak apa. Sebab I nak discuss lagi minggu depan. Jadi sebab tu I cut to that. Ni je, kalau I bagi tahu semua apa yang jadi dalam paragraph tu, nanti you all pun tak nak baca balik. Kan? Ikut je apa I cakap. So I want you to study, to understand with your group members. Okay, hari tu kita ada buat tutorial, online tutorial untuk chapter 4, half of the chapter. So hari ni I nak buat lagi half. Okay, so ini hanya soalan true or false. Okay, soalan true or false. 15 soalan saja. Okay, sekejap ya. Okay, letak nama, kalau nak letak nama pendek boleh, no problem. Tapi pastikan nama tu yang I boleh recognize ya. Okay, kita ada masa lagi. So, okay, let's play ataupun let's answer this tutorial. Okay, so everybody boleh guna phone, boleh guna laptop juga. Okay, tapi kalau you nak tengok laptop, you better use your phone lah. Alright, so go to joinmyquiz.com. Okay, joinmyquiz.com and fill in that code 032096. Okay, when everybody enter this game, okay, this quiz, then we will start. Okay, can you do that? Okay, go to joinmyquiz.com. Join my www lah rasanya www. Okay, so code dia 032096. You all pernah main quizzes kan? Pernah?
Pernah, madam.
Okay, so please make it faster okay, dah ada yang masuk tu. Good. Okay, nama kat bawah ni. Ini siapa ni? Yang nama dot ni boleh repair tak? I nak nama yang I kenal ni. Dal ni siapa pula? Kalau nama pendek pun bagi nama yang I can recognize. Jangan letak nama-nama yang I tak tahu siapa. Okay, tengok macam Ain Hashim. So I tahulah siapa dia, Norman Hakim. Boleh, siapa yang nama yang I sebut tadi tu, you all kena masuk semula, letak nama yang lain. Okay, 20 of you.
Madam.
Yes.
Tak boleh nak masuk lah, madam.
Tak boleh masuk. Kenapa?
Tak tahu lah. Saya try kat phone, tak boleh tak?
Tak boleh masuk link?
Link yang madam bagi quiz tu, saya nak try masuk tak boleh. Dia kata Safari cannot open.
Pelik tu, orang lain semua dapat masuk. Cuba lagi, Amir.
Saya pun tak dapat masuk, madam. Dia kata
type lah joinmyquiz.com tu. Joinmyquiz.com.
Saya tekan ni and type pun tak boleh buat.
Kenapa ya? Kalau tak letak www, pergi je joinmyquiz.com. Cuba. Tak payah www. Ya. Pergi joinmyquiz.com, jangan letak www. Cuba Amir dengan siapa tadi? Okay. Right. Cuba joinmyquiz.com je, tak payah www. Join my quiz. Okay, cuba joinmyquiz.com Okay, so I think majority dah masuk. For those yang belum masuk tak apa, bila kawan-kawan tengah jawab tu pun you still can go to joinmyquiz.com and masukkan the code number. Okay, can we start class? Boleh kita mula?
Boleh.
Everybody's ready? Okay, let's start Alamak. Sekejap. Keep on answering You nampak kan I punya ni pula internet I ni. Tu. Kita tengok leaderboard. Balkis dekat atas sekali followed by Fawais. Okay, Faradila. Okay, carry on. Syafiq, what happened Syafiq? Tak jawab apa-apa lagi tu. Dila, Dal tu siapa entah. I pun nak sebut pun tak tahu nama siapa. Nombor 26 kat bawah ni. 3 orang. Okay, carry on. tengok leaderboard, Nurin is on the top, followed by Faris, then Nafis, Arif and Balqis. Balqis jatuh pula. Apa tu? Faradila tak faham. I terjoin kali, madam. Apa tu? Oh, 2 kali. Oh, yang bawah sekali tu nama you ya, Faradila? Yang bawah sekali tu pun nama you ya, Dila tu? Syafiq, what happened to Syafiq? Tak boleh ya, Syafiq? Okay, so dah ada nama.
Ada dua nama.
Oh, ada 2 nama. So yang bawah tu tak ni tunggu Syafiq, siapa yang kat bawah 4 tu, maksudnya dah join kat atas Okay, so Nurin, Nafis dah siap kot. Okay, kita tunggu yang lain-lain siap Okay, siapa yang dah siap boleh sign attendance. Masa pun dah nak habis. Okay, siapa dah siap sign attendance ya. Okay, 9 o'clock already. Do you guys have class at 9? Ada kelas pukul 9 tak?
Ada, madam.
Ada. Okay, so quick. Isi attendance. For those yang dah siap, okay, you can leave the class. Yeah, siapa yang dah siap boleh leave the class, masuk kelas yang next. Okay, sign attendance dulu baru leave ya. Okay, Ikmal, kalau dah isi boleh left. Boleh left Okay, thank you so much everybody.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you,
madam. Thank you, madam. Siapa yang dah boleh keluar
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, madam. Assalamualaikum. Salam.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. Assalamualaikum.
Thank you, madam.
Jangan lupa isi attendance ya sebelum dah. Okay, welcome. Okay, ada few lagi yang tak siap ni. Ya. Okay, thank you. Ain. Okay, Nurin.
Ini main bola pingpong lah Kak Ina. Aku memang kontak dia, aku cakap. Aku macam tanya kau lah, tanya dia surat dah buat belum? Dia kata belum. Lepas tu aku cakap tolonglah buat cakap. Awak kena buat dah hantar pada mentor awak. Aku kata macam tu. Jadi kalau tak dia juga surat minggu ni, saya memang info pada SPR lah. Aku cakap macam tu, suruh dia buat surat dan baik kat kau. Kontak aku tu, aku tanya dia. Dia main bola pingpong Kak. Nak hati sekarang ni. Awak boleh rujuk mentor awak, Madam Azina. Sebab sekarang ni awak tak buat surat untuk masuk ambil makro. So you boleh dianggap sebagai illegal. Walaupun dekat SPMB ada nama you. Sebab tak boleh sebab dia ada parent. Saya accept you masuk kelas saya dan andaian dalam proses ni you buat surat. Inilah minggu ke-6 ni. Macam mana ni? So you tanya Madam Azina. So biasa surat itu adalah surat rayuan permohonan mengambil subjek makroekonomi. Okay, cuba tanya Madam Azina. Saya dah forward kat dia. Tanya mentor awak tolong. Kalau tak memang saya terpaksa kick out awak daripada kelas. Assalamualaikum. Okey Daniel, sekarang masalah awak ialah awak ambil 2 kod ekonomi dalam masa serentak. Awak boleh tanya saya pula apa yang awak dah tulis. Awak tahu lah masalah awak. Masalah awak ialah, ini kan saya dah bincang hari tu. Awak scroll balik yang saya dah bincang dengan awak ada dekat atas ni. You gave me the lathe, right? Calculate, right? Of course I did. That's the one after the algebra, just like you told me. Oh no, Viva, you were supposed to give me the bean lathe after the cowpea wrench. I'm really sorry, Babu. I mixed the cowpea foam with the bean tail. Oh, right, this instead. Viva, calm down, all right? I can fix it. I'm really sorry. I feel like that as well. Okey, baru 28 orang join. Waiting for another 12 orang. Alright, 9 minit. Madam nak kita tandas. Okay, so 9 minit kita start lah. Turn siapa hari ni baca doa?
Akmal Aiman.
Akmal Aiman. Mana Akmal Aiman? Ada tak dia kat sini?
Akmal tak masuk lagi lah. Ikmal lah, Ikmal.
Akmal tak masuk lagi. Okey, panggil yang dah masuk. Akmal Aiman baru masuk.
Panjang umur.
Syahmi lah. Syahmi dah pernah baca doa belum Syahmi?
Belum.
Dah dulu, madam.
Syahmi
Panjang
dah,
doa
madam.
saya baca.
Belum lah.
Ikmal belum, Ikmal.
Dah baca dulu.
Syahmi dah. Okay, tak apalah. So, yang ni saya petik nama dia wajib baca So ini pilihan hati saya. So pilihan hati saya hari ni ialah Akmal Hadi. Kenapa ke suara? Akmal Hadi boleh tolong baca?
Saya kan ni lah. Tapi saya ni dah kali ketiga guys.
Oh, kali ketiga dah. Okey. Akmal kali ketiga. Okey. So asyik Akmal je lah kan. Okey, orang lain. Saya nak baca je lah kan. Sekejap dia tak nak, tak apalah. Jangan dipaksa. Okey. I would like to invite
Bismillah Nafis. Nafis.
Nafisa Nafis.
Boleh Nafis? Nafis.
Yes, saya. Hello.
Okay, Nafis baca doa Nafis. Baca doa
Boleh.
Nafis.
Auzubillah.
Thank you Nafis.
Fatihah.
A'udzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Auzubillahi minasyaitonirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma astagh alaina wa taqwashul alaina min khazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir ya karim. Amin.
Amin ya rabbal alamin. Alright, thank you Muhammad Nafis. Okay, 38, 37 lah including me. Alright, so we are waiting for another 3. Okay, tak apa. So mungkin dia akan masuk secara ni lah. Tak apalah, Dila membantu. Okay, so today I would like to so we will continue on the preparation of ledger and the trial balance. Okay, from the ledger, so then we are preparing for the closing for the ledger, or what we call is a balancing of the account. Okay, and then transfer the balance to the trial balance. Alright, so at the end of the kelas nanti saya nak terangkan, tak apalah minggu depan lah. Okay, so alright. So at the end of the class nanti saya akan terangkan tentang group assignment. Okay, so group assignment at the end of the class lah, 10 minit terakhir nanti. Okay, hari ni 2 jam so 9 hingga 11. Kenapa? Because of I would like to replace yesterday class. Okay, yesterday class 2 hours basically. Okay, and then will be replaced today and also on this Friday. Friday 3 hingga 4 your quiz quiz 2. Okay, so by referring to the tutorial, okay, soalan daripada textbook kan? Ya. Ke atas. Okay. Alright, so by referring to your textbook, soalan mana kita discuss hari tu? Which is question number 7 and 8. Am I right? Seven and 8. Okay, so by referring to question number 8, okay, so today I would like to prepare the ledger. What is the process to transfer the journal to the ledger? Okay, so again kita akan tengok dia punya debit and credit first Okay, and then from the debit and credit then we will transfer to the trial balance. Posting, closing, balancing off, and then post to the trial balance. I will prepare the complete set for today Okay, so by referring question number 8, okay everyone, could you please refer to page 56. Mungkin ada lari sikit dengan buku you all, especially yang guna e-book. Ramai tak yang beli e-book? Siapa yang tak ada buku? Yang tak ada buku ni masalah ni. Ada yang tak ada buku ke? Ada yang tak ada buku ke? Tak ada buku. Kamu
Saya
punya
medium tak
masalah,
dapat lagi.
Tak dapat lagi. Okay.
Uh-uh.
Ibu dah boleh view lah. Tak dapat lagi. Bila you order ni?
2 minggu lepas rasanya. Kan minggu lepas.
Ya ke? Saya rasa PIC tu dia every week dia proses tu. Nanti saya semak. Tapi lepas kelas lah
Baik,
Okay.
madam.
Alright. So yang ada ibu ataupun someone, could you please share soalan nombor 8 dalam group? Could you please share question for Nick Enterprise Alright. So Nick Enterprise. Okay. First of all, kita record dulu journal entry dia. Okay, so basically the date, okay, and then the details or particulars. Okay, and then the amount on the debit and credit. Okay, date on 1st January. 1st January, what happened it is, okay, particulars ni tak payahlah so I terus, okay boleh. Alright, so number 1, okay, on 1st January, debit, cash, credit, apa dia kelas? Debit, cash, credit? Debit what?
Capital.
Yes, debit, cash, credit, capital. So debit amounted to 110,000. Okay, and then on the credit also the same amount of 110,000 by cash. Okay, so now, okay, from this transaction, from this journal entry, so debit and credit ni you mentioned here will be referred to the journal entry. Alright, so from the journal entry, you have to post to the ledger. Okay, so saya akan terus prepare the ledger. Alamak, aduh. Okay, 6 column Okay, yang ni saya buat 5 je semula. So, will be the 6 column. Okay, buatkan the T account. So, siapa guna pen, pencil, tolong tulis Okay, T account. Nampak betul T? Saya buat, dia tak boleh nampak. Gelap lagi Okay, so tajuk atas ialah ada 2 account that you have to prepare. Number 1 is a cash, number 2 is a capital. Okay, so we prepare cash account first. Alright, cash account. Okay, nak tulis penuh boleh, nak buat short form pun boleh. Cash account. Alright, so kat sini you tengok Okay, partner dia adalah capital. So debit cash, meaning that cash will be insert into the debit side. So here, berapa hari bulan? 1 hari bulan 1. Okay, jap. Untuk first time ni saya letak date, particulars, amount. Okay, so basically ledger macam ni. Part 2 pula dah. Party. Particulars and amount. Okay, so there are 3 column on the debit and then 3 column on the credit. Okay, so date. So date berapa hari bulan? 1 hari bulan 1. Okay, particulars nak tulis apa? Dalam cash, partner dia adalah apa? Partner dia adalah capital. So you have to write here as is a capital. Okay, so tuliskan nama partner dia capital. Tapi dalam cash account on the debit. So that's why dibaca kat situ debit cash. So meaning that in cash account must be on the debit. So amounted to 110,000 on the debit. Okay, second account so that I have to prepare is a capital account. Since there are two account involved, okay, so tukar nama, so here will be a capital. Okay, so tengok capital. Nampak tak dia baca tu? Capital, credit capital. So meaning that you have to put the amount of capital on the credit. The amount of the capital on the credit. Okay, I put the amount of credit 110,000. Okay, date masukkan macam biasa. Berapa hari bulan transaction ni? Pada 1 hari bulan 1. Okay, particulars class nak tulis apa?
Cash.
Yes, good. So will be the cash. Partner dia. Okay, capital you see here on the credit. And then the amount dalam capital account on the credit, and then particulars will be the partner dia. Okay, settle transaction on 1st January. Okay, on 3rd January. 1, 3. Okay, 3rd January what happened? So debit apa, kredit apa tu kelas? Debit? Debit apa? 41 orang semua diam. Ada orang ke dalam ni?
Ada madam, cuma macam ada mic problem sikit.
Okay. Yang tak ada mic problem tu tolong jawab. Debit electricity expenses kredit apa?
Credit cash.
Credit cash. Ada pun orang. Ya, tak ada saya cakap dengan seseorang ni. Cakap dengan apa? Screen saya. Alright. So debit electricity how much? Class 1,000 to
200.
200 ke 1,200?
1,200.
1,200. Okay. So now look at the second transaction. So there is an electricity expense. Another one is cash. Cash dah ada kan?
Ada.
Dah ada. So dah ada. So bila dah ada, you maintain je cash account, nanti masukkan je transaction. Yang tak ada adalah electricity expense. So you have to create another one is an electricity expense account. Okay, so tukar nama. So nama dia adalah electricity expense account. Okay, berapa hari bulan? 3 hari bulan. Okay, particulars nak tulis apa kat sini? Electricity, partner dia. Okay, you tengok kat sini electricity. Okay, tengok amount dia sebelah debit. Okay, dalam electricity expenses will be on the debit. 1,200. Okay, particulars nak tulis apa?
Cash.
Yes, good. Cash. Alright. Okay, in the cash account, dia akan kontra. Dia akan terbalikkan dia. Okay, dalam electricity expenses dia will be on the debit. Dalam cash will be on the credit. Nampak tak? Dalam account cash sebelah kredit. Dalam account cash sebelah kredit. Okay, dalam account cash sebelah kredit 1,200 date 1 hari bulan 3. Okay, and then particulars nak tulis apa?
Electricity expense.
What to write? Yes, good. Electricity expense. Okay, nak tulis electricity saja pun boleh, nak tulis expense pun boleh. Okay, saya besarkan. Okay, next. Third transaction pada 9 hari bulan 1. Okay, debit apa, kredit apa tu? Receive 3,400 cash for
Debit ada 2.
Debit ada 2. Number 1?
Cash.
Okay, debit cash.
Secondly, account receivable. Kalau cash tu 3,400.
Okay, so second one is account receivable siapa?
Debit.
Yasmin
Yasmin.
Account receivable Yasmin so kena mention.
Lupa.
Okay, and then credit apa?
Credit is service revenue.
Okay, credit service revenue. Okay, so debit cash, how much? 3,400. Okay, basically the total services amount berapa? 5,900 kan?
Ya, madam.
5,900. So balance berapa ni?
Balance 2,500. Ya.
2 ke? 2,500, yes, correct. 2,500. Okay, make sure on the debit and credit must be balance. Okay, 5,900 on the debit and on the credit also 5,900. Okay, so cash account already created. Okay, yang tak ada adalah AR Yasmin dengan service revenue. So you have to open up another account of what? Yasmin account. Okay, tukar nama. AR Yasmin. Okay, so account ni nak tulis short form. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Account is stand for A/C. So stand for account. Okay, kalau student lain tengok pun, oh okay. Kalau company lain tengok AC, what is AC? Orang dah tahu. This is a terms that will use widely used, which is account stand for AC. A/C stand for account. Okay, AR Yasmin. Okay, and then we have another one is service revenue. Okay, service revenue. Okay, service revenue. Okay, so there are 3 account involved. Number 1, account cash. Number 2, account AR Yasmin. Okay, and then number 3 is service revenue. Okay, so dalam service revenue dia ada cash, dia ada AR nanti. Okay, so kita tengok one by one. Okay, so dia ada yang ada involve account yang dah ada yang single account. For the first one tadi single, kita tak ada mana-mana account, kita baru buka. Okay, and then for the second transaction, when there is an electricity expenses and then involve cash already open. Okay, macam mana nak record? Okay, the third one, so yang ni pula dia ada cash. Okay, these 2 account you have to create. Okay, and then dia share. Dalam account service revenue ni ada cash, ada Yasmin. Alright, so kita pergi dulu debit cash. Alright, so how to record? Debit cash. So meaning that dalam cash account will be on the debit. How much the amount? 3,400. Okay, so 3,400 dated bila ni? 9 hari bulan 1. 9 Januari. Salah. 19. Okay, 9 Januari. Okay, double entry dia dengan siapa? Siapa partner dia sekarang?
Account receivable Yasmin.
Salah.
Service.
Yes. Okay, partner dia adalah service revenue. Okay, service revenue 3,400. Okay, terus cari partner dia. Service revenue, kalau kat sini will be on the debit and then in the service revenue will be on the credit. Okay, service revenue will be on the credit 3,400. Partner dia siapa tadi? Cash account. This one Okay, partner dia adalah cash. Transaction happen on January 9. Okay, happen on January 9, particular cash sebab dia partner dia adalah cash Okay, next. Okay, settle cash dengan service revenue. Dia mesti partner debit, credit. Okay, AR Yasmin ni pun debit. Okay, so for the first time, I letaklah kat sini debit juga. Okay, so there are two transaction on the debit. Okay, so again ER Yasmin pun dengan service revenue. Okay, so dalam ER Yasmin, here is referring to the debit side. Okay, so masukkan sebelah debit 2,500. Okay, particulars. Partner dia tadi siapa?
Service revenue.
Revenue. Yes, service revenue. Salah. Okay, tarikh berapa bulan? 9 Januari Okay. So partner dia dengan service revenue. Okay, automatically yang ni on the debit pindahkan ke sebelah sini will be on the credit. Okay, apa nama tadi? AR Yasmin. How much? 2,500. Okay. So far, okay ke kelas? Firdaus okay ke?
Okay, madam.
Daniel okay ke? Mana Daniel? Arif Daniel? Okay. Nabil okay ke?
Okay, madam.
Alright. Siapa lagi? Putri okay ke?
Okay, madam.
Nur Akilah okay ke?
Okay, madam.
Nur Akilah. Alright, good. Okay, next transaction 15. Okay, 15 hari bulan Januari. 1. Okay, 15 Januari. What is journal entry? Bought motor vehicle from Badro Enterprise 85,000 and paid cash and the balance is on account. Dia sama case macam 9 tadi. Alright, so debit apa? Dah bincangkan ni. Debit motor vehicle. Saya buat short form motor vehicle 85,000. Okay, and then credit apa?
Account payable.
Account payable Badrol. Okay, don't forget berapa dia hutang dengan Badrol? Okay, dia bayar cash dulu. Okay, second one is account cash kan, dia bayar cash. How much dia bayar cash?
15,000.
Okay, cash 15,000. Cash 15,000. So Badrul berapa tinggal? Berapa hutang?
70,000 tinggal.
70,000. Yes, correct. Okay, now motor vehicle does not exist. Okay, so you have to create same as to the AP Badrul. So you have to create a new account. Okay, whereas cash already have. Okay, you just key in or record in the original ataupun already account that we have. Okay. So we start with the account motor vehicle dulu. So dia banyak account kita lipat ni, motor vehicle. Okay, motor vehicle account. Okay, another one is the account for who?
Account payable. Apa nama dia? Badrul.
Payable.
Badrul.
Yes, account payable Badrul. Okay, so what is the journal entry? Debit motor vehicle. Okay, so kita record dalam motor vehicle dulu. Mana motor vehicle kita? Okay. So here, debit motor vehicle dated bila? 15 hari bulan 1. 1/15. Okay, so here nak tulis apa kat sini? Okay, so dia ada dua pasangan sini kan? So dia, okay, dalam motor vehicle mesti ada Badrul, mesti ada cash. Alright. So here buy cash 15,000. Okay, and then here another one is an AP Badrol. Okay, how much? 70,000. Yes, okay. And then dalam account Badrol. Dalam account Badrol, okay, date yang sama 15 Januari. Okay, so here nak tulis apa? Badrol tadi dia partner
Motor
dengan motor
vehicles.
vehicle. So, yes, how much? 70,000. Okay, next. Okay, account payable Badrul dah ada. Okay, and then dia bayar by cash 15,000. Okay, pergi balik dekat account cash. So since dia bayar kat sini, dia bayar untuk apa tadi? Motor vehicle. How much the amount is? 15,000. Okay, dated when? Ya Allah. Okay, 1/15. So minit 15 Januari. Purchase motor vehicle. Okay, paid by cash of 15,000. Okay, so this one already recorded and also recorded. So you have to prepare one by one. Okay, by the transaction supaya tak tertinggal. Okay, satu journal entry, prepare all the account. Jangan buat account cash, tengok mana cash. Okay, buat cash, masuk cash. Saya bimbang takut ada transaction yang kamu tertinggal. So at the end nanti trial balance kamu tak balance. Okay, and the last one. Okay, 26 hari bulan. Apa jadi? Okay, 1 hari bulan, okay, 26 Januari. Okay, what happened? It is need settle all the debt to Badrul Enterprise which due on January 15 by check 60,000 and balance is paid by cash. So dia nak bayar account receivable, account payable Badrul. Mana Badrul? Ni dia. So 70,000 dia nak bayar. So dia nak bayar, macam mana cara dia? Dia nak bayar by check and also by cash. Okay, so yang ni saya nak tukar sikit statement ni. Since we don't have a bank account, okay, so bank account tiba-tiba nak bayar, so duit tak ada So tolong saya tukarkan sikit statement ni. Okay, for exercise journal entry tak ada masalah. For the preparation of the ledger dia ada masalah sikit. Okay, saya nak you tukar need settle all the debt to Badrul Enterprise which due. Okay, saya nak you bayar semua by cash. Okay. Kita nak bayar semua by cash. Tak nak separuh by check ataupun separuh lagi by cash. Tak nak sebab kita tak ada account bank. Kalau ada account bank, so kat sini akan jadi overdraft. Okay, boleh juga. Tak apa. So maintain Okay, tak ada masalah. So, nanti saya boleh tunjuk kat kamu cara bank overdraft. Okay, bank overdraft sepatutnya balance dia dekat mana dalam trial balance. Okay, tak apa. So remain remain statement yang samalah. Okay, 26 Januari, so debit apa?
Account payable Badrul.
Yes, debit account payable Badrul. Okay, how much? Berapa hutang Badrul? 70,000
70,000.
So debit 70,000. Okay, and then credit, dia bayar guna check tadi kan? Credit bank. Bank how much? 60,000. Yes, and then the balance paid by cash.
10,000.
So berapa? 10,000. Yes, correct. Okay, so now we already have account payable Badrul and cash. So we don't have a bank account. So you have to create another one is a bank account. Okay, bank account. Okay, so kita bayar Badrul, how much tadi? By cash 10 by bank. Okay, dalam account payable Badrul, dia bayar pada 26 hari bulan 1. Okay, dia bayar by check kan. So bila check dia akan automatically involve bank. So dia bayar 60,000 by check. Okay, and then another one dia bayar by cash. Apa tadi? 10,000. Okay, so pergi dekat account bank. Okay, bank dulu Okay, kat sini debit. Dekat account bank dia akan automatically akan jadi kredit. Okay, particulars will be account payable Badrol. Okay, the double entry, so amount is 60,000. Alright, settle. Okay, and then pergi dekat account cash. Alright, so 26 hari bulan 1. Okay, so dia bayar siapa tadi? AP Badrol. Berapa dia bayar? 10,000. Okay, all the transaction has been recorded. Okay, already recorded. Okay, settle for the transfer from the journal to the ledger. Okay, next step is you have to balancing off. Balancing off because we want to know the balance amount that will be transferred to the trial balance. Okay, so we want to make sure that the trial balance are balanced. Trial balance is a balancing of the trial balance is referring to your accounting equation. So jumlah dia mesti sama. Asset equal to liability plus owner equity. Dia mesti balik sama okay. So saya nak tutup dulu account yang banyak ni saya biarkan dulu. Capital account dulu. Alright, in the capital account, so there are only one transaction. Okay, so only one transaction. So we have a cash. Okay, yang ni you can straightforward. Okay. You kena balance kan dia, totalkan dia. Totalkan dia, berapa totalkan dia? 110,000. Okay. Sebelah kredit pun dia mesti sebelah debit pun dia mesti sama 110,000. Okay. Sekejap saya nak formatkan sekejap View. Okay. Okay, so balancekan dia. Okay, dapat 110,000. Totalkan dia. So kita buat double line macam ni, double line macam ni. Okay, so this is the total amount. Okay, so the deficient adalah sebelah debit. Okay, kurangan dia adalah sebelah debit. So sebelah debit ni, okay, normally we will balancing off the account at the end of the year. Alamak, date salah pula, dia tukar date. Tak jadilah, sekejap. Dia ubah date, cancel. Okay, so semula, okay, ni 110,000. Okay, balancing off, okay, underline lah total amount tu. Okay, dalam matematik kan, you totalkan, so you underline kan jawapan dia. Alright, so kalau you tengok sebelah kredit dia, sebelah debit dia adalah kurang. So sebelah kredit ni, okay, so normally we will balancing off the account at the end of the year. At the end of the period ataupun at the end of the month. 31 Januari, okay. So kita akan tulis balance CD. Okay, balance CD stand for balance carried down. Kita nak bawa kepada bulan akan datang. Next accounting period. Alright, so balance CD. Okay, berapa jumlah kurangan dia? Sebelah, okay, yang banyak kita ada sebelah kredit. 110 tolak kosong. So balance CD akan jadi 110,000. Okay. Same as to the electricity expenses. Same as to the electricity expenses. Okay. Sekejap Okay, before we move to the electricity expenses, then kita tutup account ni dulu. Okay, next month bila? 1 hari bulan 2 Januari 2 hari bulan 1 Februari next period. Balance CD akan bawa ke hadapan macam duit lebihan kita belanja lah kan. Tak habis bulan ni kita bawa pada bulan akan datang. So jadi dia akan jadi baki awal. Okey, ini adalah baki akhir pada Januari. So ini akan jadi baki awal pada bulan Februari. Right, how to write? Balance BD. BD stand for brought down. Brought down itu kita ambil daripada atas bawa ke bawah. Brought down. Alright, brought down berapa? Jumlah dia mesti sama. You just follow je. CD dia 110, BD pun dia akan jadi 110,000. Okay, settle for the capital account. Okay, settle for the capital account. Okay, next, electricity expense. Okay, yang ni you balancing off kan? Okay, ada satu lagi cara, tak payahlah. Cara yang berikut tak payahlah. Okay, next. Yang ni pun sama. Alright, so kurangan dia adalah, deficient dia adalah sebelah kredit. So meaning that balance CD will be on the credit. Okay, so tarikh sama. Okay, kita balancing off dulu Astagfirullahaladzim. Okay, balancing off dulu 1,200. So here also will be 1,200. Okay, underline. Okay, so here 31st January. Okay, balancing off 31st January. So here will be the balance CD. Okay, 1,200. Okay, next month. So will be equal to 1 February. Okay, balance BD. BC pula dah. Okay. Balance BD how much? Will be equal to 1,200. Okay. So ini dah tak payah tengok pun tak apalah. Okay, next. Account receivable Yasmin. So because of only one transaction, same as to the electricity, same as to the capital account. Okay, so balance BD dia, balance CD dia akan jadi berapa ni? 2,500. Okay, okay, balance CD will be equal to 2,500. Okay. Okay, ini cara pendek dia. You tak payah totalkan amount dia. Okay, saya tunjuk juga lah cara pendek dia. Okay, since you dah tak ada amount kan, dia punya balance tu, transaction tu ada one side saja. Okay, you tak perlu totalkan pun boleh. Okay, you straight away, dah tahu dah. Balance CD dia ada 2,500. Okay, saya skip total up the amount. The total up the amount saya skip. Okay, you nak proceed dengan add the total boleh, nak skip pun boleh. Okay, dalam account receivable Yasmin ni saya skip. Alright. Okay, and then next on 1st February, dia terus macam tu je. Okay, so dia akan jadi 2,500. Okay, so kat mana ni saya skip total figure. Boleh juga so either one lah, you nak prepare this way or this way. Boleh, tak ada masalah especially kalau dia only one side. Okay, and one side and then only one transaction. Okay, so kalau yang ni tak boleh buat cara macam ni, dia kena buat cara yang atas. You have to total up first. Okay, total up. Okay, kita tengok total dia sebanyak sebelah kredit. Okay, jumlahkan dia. Okay, so total on the credit must be equal to total on the debit. Since no amount on the debit side, so here will be the balance CD. Okay, how much? 5,900. Service revenue. Okay, date 31 January. Okay, and then next month. Alright, next month 1 February. Balance BD will be equal to 5,900. Sama dengan balance CD. Okay. Okay, motor vehicle. Berapa balance CD dia? Okay, so will be equal to 85,000. Okay. Okay, underline the total amount. Okay, and then on first, balance BD will be equal to 85,000. Okay, next, Badrul. Alright, Badrul. Ada balance tak Badrul ni?
Ada.
Kelas, Badrul ni ada balance tak? You tengok So
Ada.
this is what we call as a zero balance. Why zero balance? So because of total amount on the debit equal to the total amount on the credit. Jumlah dia sama. Okay, bila you total up sama. Okay, summation. So yang ni pun summation sama. Jumlah debit dengan jumlah kredit adalah sama. So this is what we call as a zero balance. Zero balance. Dia tak ada balance CD. Balance BD tak ada. Why? Because of total amount on the debit equal to total amount on the credit. So this is what we call as a zero balance. Okay, kalau you tengok kat sini you tengok kosong dia, kurang dia adalah sebelah debit. Bila kurang dia sebelah debit, balance BT dia nanti akan berada sebelah kredit. So this is what we call as a credit balance. Okay, credit balance. Okay, so kita buat shortcut tadi. Okay, shortcut. Okay, so kurang dia sebelah sini kan. Berapa different tadi? 60,000. Okay, date sama dengan 31 Januari. Balance BD 60,000. Okay, and then 1 February. Balance BD will be equal to 60,000. Okay, so one account kita tertinggal tadi which is a cash account. Okay, because of there is a few transaction. Okay, so first of all, okay, you totalkan dulu mana yang lebih besar, sebelah debit ke sebelah kredit? Yang the biggest amount dia akan jadi total, overall total. Mana yang lebih besar, sebelah debit ke sebelah kredit kelas? Saya nak tambah satu lagi line sebab tak muat saya nak balance.
Sebelah debit.
Okay. Sebelah debit yang lebih besar. Betul? Okay, sebelah debit yang lebih besar. Okay, kalau debit lebih besar nanti dia punya balance kita panggil ni adalah debit balance. Okay, so kita jumlahkan dulu. Total up first. Alright, so 113. Kalau sebelah sini berapa jumlah dia? 26,200 saja. So yang besar tu akan jadi total lah. Okay, balance CD dia kat mana? Sebelah debit ke sebelah kredit?
Kredit.
Balance CD dia?
Kredit.
Sebelah kredit, betul. So here you have to find the amount of balance CD. Okay, jumlahkan berapa? 113,400 tolak semua ni.
87200.
87200. Okay, kita check. Tolak. Yes, betul. 87220. Okay. So balance BD. Oops. Balance CD Okay, tarikh 31 Januari. Okay, next month 1 Februari. So will be the balance BD. Balance BD 87,200. Okay, settle our preparation of the ledger. What next is we are required to prepare the trial balance from the ledger that you are created just now. Okay, so you have to transfer the balance BD amount. Okay, balance BD amount to the trial balance. Okay, saya letak kat bawah ni trial balance. Trial balance, bahasa Melayu dia adalah imbangan juga Trial balance as at, okay, biasanya at the end of the month lah, 31st January ataupun at the end of the year. Biasanya kita tutup account ni at the end of the month ataupun at the end of the period or at the end of the year. Okay, so year biasanya kita akan buat monthly lah. Okay, baki pada Januari akan bawa kepada bulan Februari. Alright, trial balance as at 31st January 20, dia beritahu tak 20 bila ni? 2021 lah, I put 2021. Okay, so you have to list all the account that you have to create. That you have create just now, so you have to list all the account. Okay, number one, okay kita letak dulu amount, debit and credit Okay, so we have a cash account. Okay, look at the cash account. Tengok balance BD dia sebelah mana? Sebelah mana ni? Balance BD.
Debit.
Yes, sebelah debit. Okay. Sekejap saya highlight semua. Kita nak ambil balance BD dia So balance BD amount tu kita nak transfer to the trial balance. Okay. So sebelah debit. Kalau you tengok kat sini dia punya balance BD dia ada sebelah debit sebanyak berapa tadi? 87,200. Oops. Okay, sebelah debit 87,200. Saya nak guna ni. Okay. Next, we have another one account which is a capital. Capital, kalau you tengok kat situ adalah capital. Capital sebelah mana ni kelas? Sebelah kredit 110,000. Okay, capital sebelah kredit 110,000. Okay, next we have an electricity expense. Okay, electricity expense on the debit balance 1,200. Okay, and then we have an AR Yasmin. AR Yasmin will be on the debit 2,500. Okay, service revenue. Okay, on the credit side 5,900. Okay, lagi. So kita ada motor vehicle. Okay, motor vehicle on the debit side 85,000. Sama dengan, okay, saya suka guna Excel ni sebab kita boleh copy je kan. Okay, next. Lagi account kita apa? Okay, Badrol. Is there any balance for Badrol class?
Tak ada.
Tak ada.
Is there any no balance? So no balance, tak nak tulis pun tak apa. Kalau rajin sangat nak tulis, letak je lah AP Badrol. Ini kalau rajin Kalau sepatutnya tak payah letak pun tak apa. Dia amount dia adalah kosong, tak ada. So nil, bila nil tak payah letak pun tak apa. Kalau rajin letak, kalau malas tak payah letak. Saya malas. So tak ada figure tak payah letak. Okay, and the last one, so we have a bank account. Okay, so bank. Bank kalau kat sini refer to this transaction dia sebelah kredit. Bila sebelah kredit, dia tak akan jadi bank tau. Dia jadi bank tapi letak kat tepi tu bank overdraft. Kenapa dia akan jadi bank overdraft? So dia bayar 60,000 tadi kan. Kenapa dia jadi overdraft? Sebab account bank is an asset. Asset supposed to be normal balance on the debit. Tapi dia jadi kredit. Kenapa kredit? Sebab dia terlebih guna duit bank Okay, so dia jadi bank overdraft. So bila bank overdraft, it becomes a liability to the business. Okay guys, kita check balik. Cash asset mesti on the debit. Capital, credit balance. Electricity expenses debit balance. ER Yasmin asset debit balance. Service revenue, revenue on the credit balance. Motor vehicle asset debit balance. Bank overdraft liability. Okay. So dalam trial balance ni, it must fulfill all the normal balance of the transaction yang saya ajar sebelum ni. Kalau let's say saya nampak electricity expense sebelah kredit, dah tahu dah salah. Tak boleh. Electricity expense is expense normal balance on the debit. ER, tiba-tiba kredit. Something wrong somewhere. Kenapa? ER asset. Asset mesti normal balance sebelah debit. Except bank ni. Bank je boleh jadi dua. Sama ada debit ataupun kredit. Kalau debit dia akan jadi asset. Kalau kredit dia akan jadi liability. Okay, bila liability kita kena tambah sikit perkataan bank overdraft. Walaupun dekat sini kita buka account bank, okay, tapi bila dia sebelah kredit dia akan jadi bank overdraft, dia akan jadi liability. Let's say lah dalam exam you tak ingat lah nak letak bank overdraft ni, apa perkataan dia je, you letak je bank. Tapi credit balance. So now I understand lah that one is overdraft. Okay. So bila kita buat trial balance, kita nak tengok dia mesti balance. Total debit dengan total credit mesti balance. Okay, let us check. Okay, kalau you tengok kat sini, jumlah dia sama, 175,900. Total amount tu mesti sama sebelah debit dengan sebelah kredit. So bila dapat balance macam ni, so meaning that your account are balance. Your account are balance. Okay, so meaning that the transaction yang you record ni semua betul lah. Okay, dapat? Boleh ingat? Semua ni complete set saya letakkan kat sini. Okay, kalau nak contoh ni saya boleh bagi. Dan saya dah record juga. Nanti saya share the table, the video. Okay, and then on the calculation part semua saya dah letak dekat sini lah. Okay, cuma saya tak warnakan Okay, ni tak ada balance. Okay, here is the amount of 60,000. Okay, yang I warnakan ni semua kena transfer to the trial balance. So trial balance ni in Malay we call as imbangan duga. So total amount on the debit and credit must be balanced. Okay guys, any question? Any question? Tak ada. Okay, tak ada. Saya nak kamu cuba soalan number. Okay, we have discussed question number 8. Okay, so kita dah discuss juga soalan number 7. Okay, ada 6 transaction sahaja. Okay, so within this, saya nak bagi 30 minit cuba you all buat. Sebab kita dah bincang on the journal entry. Journal entry dah ada, so saya nak you all buat dalam ledger. Okay, so for Marley Enterprise, a lighting shop. Okay, very simple transaction, tolong buat. Assignment kamu ini dia. So you have to create a transaction. So transaction tu nanti saya kena semak Lepas SMA baru you proceed dengan ledger and a trial balance Okay, so first of all you bagi saya dulu transaction, so you have to create ada instruction nanti. Okay, ini contoh soalan assignment awak. Saya nak you all complete sampai trial balance. Okay, alright. So saya sekarang pukul 10, so 30 minit given 30 minutes to you, okay, to prepare number 7. Prepare the ledger, some balancing off and then transfer to the trial balance. Boleh? Boleh tak?
InsyaAllah boleh.
InsyaAllah boleh. Okay, so you may start now. Okay, kalau ada masalah boleh tanya saya. Saya hide dulu yang ni. Okay, kalau you all guna paper tak ada masalah, boleh je proceed guna paper. So nanti snap gambar saya nak tengok jawapan dia. Okay? I start present Ada yang dah siap?
Belum.
Belum. Dah balancing off ke? Baru prepare ledger? Siapa yang dah siap? Raise up your hand. Ada yang dapat balance?
Lagi madam.
Ya. Ada balance?
Belum.
Yes, Firdaus. Ada masalah ke?
Belum buat lagi balance. Belum sampai lagi.
Belum try balance. Okay. Siapa yang tak tahu buat tu, saya tengah buat ni. Saya dah present ni. Oops, aduh. Rina siap? Anda dah siap ke? Sekejap je. Okey, saya ada shortage. Berapa ni? RM3,300. Mana ni? Cash RM35,000. Tolak RM700. Tolak RM2,000. Okey, betul. Capital RM35,000. Office equipment RM8,000. Ali Imran. Debit Ali Imran. Surprise. Cepat 10:47 dah. Rina siap? Rina surprise 4,000. RM3,300. Okay, total balancing figure is 49,000. Ada yang dapat ke? Ada yang dapat tak? Okay. Okay, saya punya dah siap. You all punya dah siap ke? Syahmi, siap? Syahmi? Fidaus siap?
Ada yang salah masuk, madam. Belum lagi.
Belum lagi. 1 jam. 50 dah,
Ada
10.50 dah.
ada yang salah masuk, ada yang salah masuk.
Dalili siap?
Belum lagi, ada yang salah je.
Rasanya madam kena ajar lagi sepanjang 50 minit dah saya tunggu, tak ada yang tanya pun. Ku, Fawais? Ku? Ni saya dah buat dah ni
Tengah tutup akaun, madam.
Tengah tutup account. Okay. So ni saya dah siap dah ni. Okay, so this is a journal entry. Okay, and then this is the saya buat sekali dengan awak lah ni. Okay, and then cash account. Okay, so you all boleh check dekat saya punya ni, saya punya trial balance. Make sure you got the amount of 49,000 for the balancing figure. Ada yang dah dapat? Okay, saya nak sekejap isi. Okay guys, okay, you all siap kan? Nanti saya bagi juga yang saya dah buat tu. Okay, tolong tengok sekejap. I nak brief pasal group assignment. So, soalan group assignment ni saya belum share dekat GC, tapi tak apa, kita tengok dulu. Saya mana tadi? Okay, so this is a group project. Okay, principles. Okay, everyone, could you please pay your attention? Okay, so this is a group project. So will be submit in week 13. Tapi kita bagi sekarang sekarang adalah minggu ke-6. Okay, so you have to submit in week 13. Date ni nanti saya pilih tarikh Okay, so instruction to candidate. This group project cover chapter 2. So yang you belajar sekarang lah. So up to the trial balance. Alright, so which is accounting equation which allocates 20% of your carry mark. Students are able to clarify the nature of business activity, evaluate the process of accounting cycle, and able to meet deadline. Alright, so you have to create one business. Alright, so one business basically on the service industry sahaja, service business sahaja. Okay, and then the sole proprietor and then service. Okay, saya highlight lagi sekali. Nature of your business is a service. Okay, type of business are, types of business is sole proprietor. Okay, next, students are able to increase the confidence levels in communication and teamwork skills. Okay, so this is a group assignment. Okay, members of the group consists of 4 to 5 students in a group. Okay, so we will fulfill the outcome of CO3 upon successful completion of the student project will be able to apply double entry system in the recording process and completing the accounting cycles. Okay, so given to you the details of the project, which is there is an introduction, profile of your business. Okay, so you have to create your own business, again your own business with the industry of service company, service business lah basically Alright, place of business. Okay, so you have to mention your address, business activity and business organization chart. Okay. Second one, you have to create a transaction for the month. Okay, so transaction tu yang macam mana? Yang macam nombor 7 dengan nombor 8 tadi. Oh, kenapa? Mama tengah kelas. Oh, tolong mic tu dulu. Sekejap guys sekejap. Okay, sorry, ada interruption sikit. Ada urgent call. Okay, so transaction for 1 month. Okay, so minimum 12, maximum is 18. Alright, so your transaction must consist all these elements: contribution of capital, buy an asset, cash and on credit. So ada dua lah kat sini, buy cash and on credit, buy supplies, buy cash and credit, perform service, same as to cash and on credit. Alright, so paid expenses, contoh expenses, paid electricity, paid a water bill, Okay, and then drawing, so drawing of cash, so basically this is drawing of cash lah. Okay, and then number 7, receive payment from customer. Okay, and then paid the debt for the account payable. Okay, so your transaction kat sini ada 8 kan? Okay, tapi kat sini ada 2. So 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, kalau you follow guideline ni, so you dah ada 11 transaction plus another one. So minimum is 12. Okay, and then maximum is 18 transactions. Okay, so you are required to prepare journal and ledger. Journal yang mana? Yang ni tadi, yang debit, credit, this one. Okay, so this is a journal. So you are required to prepare this one. Okay, so with the dates, particulars, the amount of debit and credit. Okay, next, closing the account as I show you just now. So close appropriately with the date, balance CD and balance BD as per I show you just now. Okay, yang tadi tu soalan nombor 7 dengan 8 tu nanti saya share dekat group Okay, and then you have to balancing of the accounts. Okay, and then transfer to the trial balance. Okay, so the meeting should be held at least 3 times with your lecturer, which each meeting for 30 minutes duration. Each of student need to present or deliver to get marks. Okay, so yang ni kita buat di luar kelas lah. So you set the time. Okay, and then you boleh GM dengan saya ataupun you can tak perlu GM pun tak apa. So you just submit your transactions, okay, and then send to me. 3 kali je. 3 kali, minimum 3 kali sajalah. Okay, and then final report should consist of complete full accounting cycle. It must consist of company profile. Okay, inilah dalam kamu punya business tu ada company profile, business transaction, general ledger, general journal, ledger and a trial balance. Okay, so meeting yang pertama regarding dekat saya. Your business apa dia? Okay, and then settle yang ni, approve, saya approve, then you proceed to the transaction. Okay, so general. So cukup 3 kali and then you post to the ledger. Ledger saya tak semak dah, saya semak nanti during the final report. Alright, so 3 times which is profile of your business, transactions. Okay, and then the next one is a general journal. Itu je saya nak tengok. Okay, and the rest nanti you prepare and then hantar final report. Okay, dapat? Jelas tak? Okay, so ini adalah rubric. So this is a rubric. So you follow the rubric. If you complete the background, company, complete requirement in the profile of business, you will get the 3 marks. Okay, and then yang ni based on progress payment lah, you hantar ke I, contoh ada pembetulan. So you kena betulkan, hantar balik. Okay, so yang ni saya yang akan bagi markah lah, tapi this is a guideline for you. Okay, and then ada presentations. Alright, so presentation, okay, so this is a breakdown of the percentage, which is 4%. Okay, so this is the rubric. So you boleh refer lah, you nak, okay, kalau you dapat 1 tu maksudnya student is not confident and using improper language. Okay, kalau you excellent, so you will get score 4, which is student is confident, attractive, using proper language. Okay, so this is question handling by group lah. So kena bincang lah Okay, and then teamwork 3%. So teamwork, hello. Okay, so teamwork. So yang ni cross Contoh ada 4 orang ataupun 5. Okay, so saya akan nilai.
Madam, Pak, Madam. Tak dapat
Alright. Okay, so yang ni nanti saya bagi individual. So nanti you all kena submit lah. Nanti saya pecahkan, saya hantar dekat PC. Apa dia Aisyah?
Tak dapat dengar Madam, bak lag Madam sangkut.
Aisyah?
Madam tersangkut Madam, line Madam tak
Madam
okey tu.
sangkut-sangkut. Madam. Sekarang okey ke tak okey?
Sekarang okey sikit dengar suara Madam. Tadi memang sangkut lah Madam, suara Madam.
Okay, so kejap kita sambung. For the teamwork, 3%. So you evaluate among your team members. Okay, let's say saya ada 4 orang, 5 orang termasuk saya akan nilai 4. Contoh saya akan nilai Syafiq, Dalili, Fawais, and then saya check siapa lagi ni, Putri. Okay, so samalah kita akan cross check dengan orang lain punya. Okay, so yang ni saya akan hantar what is it? Individual nanti you kena submit pada saya dekat through classroom. So daripada situ saya tahulah siapa yang tak buat penilaian. Okay.
Madam.
So for teamwork you have to submit through GC. Okay, so ada markah masih. Ya, saya. Yes.
Madam.
Oh, ada yang raise hand Okay, sekejap.
Saya. Firdaus, untuk grup ni.
Ya, Firdaus. Ya.
Untuk grup ni kan, section boleh campur ke?
Section boleh campur ke Alamak, advisable tak campur.
Sebab takut nanti bila nak mark tu
advisable
lain pula.
Ya, yes. Masa nak key in markah nanti saya takut ada masalah. So it's better you buat by groups, by section lah. So tak nak campur. Okay? Boleh? Okay, faham Alright. So if possible, saya nak kamu buat dalam grup yang sama sebab senang saya nak buat penilaian markah. Nanti saya kena audit pun senang. Alamak, ini section berapa? Saya pun tak ingat you all section berapa. Kalau you from section seorang je I detect you section 31, so easier for me to trace. Sebab kita memang ada audit punya script ni, so saya kena upload dan saya kena audit. Tu cerita dia. So now is better you do in a same section. Kalau ada masalah, PM tepi Itu masalah yang tak boleh selesai lah. Kalau you all boleh selesai sendiri, so you please solve it yourself. Kalau tak boleh, you need my interfere, okay, then you inform. Okay, so soalan assignment ni nanti saya upload dekat dalam Google Classroom dan juga dengan teamwork tadi. rubrik tu semua sekali kita dah sekalikan. Cuma nanti saya akan pecahkan untuk teamwork tu, nanti saya attach dokumen lagi satu. Saya pecahkan, saya akan splitkan dokumen tu. Okay, so dalam GC, I will share with you the question. Remind me to share this video for today's video. Okay, and then another one for exercise that we have done earlier. Question
Madam,
number
lag
7 and
again.
number 8.
Lag again,
Okay,
madam.
so you can refer to that. Okay, so transaction. So, okay, aduh macam mana nak buat? Okay, so tak apa, anything nanti dah ada group member. So minggu depan saya nak dengar update daripada each group. Okay, so minggu depan saya nak please update progress minggu depan.
Madam tak ada
Madam dalam gua, madam.
Thank you. Ada soalan? Yes.
Madam dalam gua
Madam, kita orang tak dengar apa-apa yang Madam
Tak dengar
cakap.
saya
cakap tadi.
Pak.
Madam lag, tak dengar apa-apa.
Dalam gua, madam.
Sabar, Bapak sabar.
Okay, saya bagi instruction dekat WhatsApp. Nanti saya record.
Okay, madam.
Dah left ke? Semua dah keluar ke?
Belum lagi, belum lagi.
Okay, bye.
Attendant belum lagi. Tunggu.
Madam hilang lah.
Sorry, laju je, Rip.
Lah, madam hilang. Ya Tuhan.
Mereka madam keluar dulu je lah. Attendant macam mana ni?
Mungkin sekejap lagi madam masuk balik kot. Ataupun seorang kena inform dia lah, mana tahu madam lupa.
Tak apa,
Apa lagi Aisyah inform.
Lah, aku pula dah.
Ya, kau kan ketua kelas.
Oh tak lah. Siapa yang nanti? Sepatutnya lelaki lah woi. Lah kau dah kenapa? Woi, pakai pembalut atas kepala. Kau piah tu.
Aduh, yai.
Memang tak boleh bawa bincang pakai
Dah boleh keluar, dah boleh keluar.
Oh, sukalah kau
Okay,
dah
thank you
macam
guys. Thank you guys for joining my class.
dah buat terbiak dah seorang.
Banyak main lah.
Tak apa, sekarang ni bawa bersabar je. Dah madam dah keluar, kita pun end lah pergi.
Jom lah keluar. Madam pun kata internet problem. Jom lah. Keluar je lah cerita dia.
Macam mana nak keluar ni? Macam mana nak keluar?
Keluar je lah. Je lah.
Macam mana nak keluar? Hey, Daud. Lempar kau punya tu komputer tu dekat ni.
Bukan
luar tu.
lempar semua alat teknologi kau dekat dinding ke apa ke?
Shutdown tak boleh, shutdown.
Tak
Shutdown je.
ada. Form tak ada.
Hah?
Tak ada Google Form lah.
Bagi dalam group nanti.
Dalam
Nanti WhatsApp nanti. Madam bagi WhatsApp nanti.
Recording madam tak end lagi tau ni.
lah madam tak end lagi record.
Sekali
Wow.
madam record hilang lah. Tak dapat lah. Biar je lah. Semua keluar habis lah. Hilang.
Dia memang betul-betul dalam gua
Bodoh lah.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Siapa yang left lah. Aku malas left lah. Aku tunggu semua orang left dulu. Baru aku left.
Aku tak boleh nak keluar ni, tak naik button end.
Kau nak jadi perempuan yang terakhir ni.
Biasa lah. Aku selalu yang terakhir. Yang mana rasa dia tidur tu sila bangun tau. Kelas dah habis tau.
Syami.
Dia dah keluar dah.
Nabil tu.
Tu aku rasa dah tidur, dah KO dah tu.
Aku tak boleh keluar. Dekat laptop aku tak boleh tekan end. Dekat phone ni boleh pula.
Lah.
Pula dah.
Itulah masalah, problem technical. Aku punya grammar pun salah, astaga.
Ada, aku dekat phone dari tadi keluar, dekat laptop ni tak boleh.
Bawa bersabar. Kalau aku dah empas dah laptop aku dekat dinding.
Ada.
Kau punya tu asal apa Fidaus? Kau punya laptop ke?
Laptop ni, bukan phone.
Phone boleh ke?
Phone tadi aku dah keluar dah sebab phone aku buat ni je, buat apa macam nak check ke nak tanya ke apa. Ni dekat laptop pula tak boleh. Tapi aku heran boleh pula on off mic ni.
Oh.
Tapi tak boleh nak end.
Kalau
aku tu lah.
Aku terus off je laptop. Tak payah nak tu sangat.
Aku on kat
boleh.
phone je.
Kalau off laptop nanti semua barang yang aku save yang dalam internet hilang nanti.
Oh, lah aku sama. Aku dah benar dah kena. Aku pun bengap juga.
Tapi tak ada tenders kan?
Apa?
Tak ada tenders kan?
Tak ada.
Madam
Attendance tak bagi lagi madam. Tapi try lah request dekat group.
Dah, dia orang dah cakap, dah tanya mana attendance.
Oh, tu. Okay, aku nak ni.
Tak, yang Nabil ni mana ni senyap je ni.
Nabil.
Awal Nabil. Bil, bagus Bil. Okay, aku gerak dulu
Okay.
Right.
Bye, Nu.
Off je lah laptop ni. Pandai-pandai lah.